What's up, guys? Welcome to our new video. This video is about the best grill cleaning spray. After deep research, we list the best grill cleaning spray for your needs and budget. In this video, we will review the 5 best grill cleaning sprays. We select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. We mention all the products link in the description below. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Our number 5 pick is the Easy-Off Professional Oven and Grill Cleaner. When oil develops and also you start to feel distressed, it's time to bring out the big young boys. You require a cleaner to get everything off with little initiative. This grill cleaner from Easy-Off might be the one you need. It's a whole lot tougher than the products over as well as is advertised as being heavy duty. In the aerosol spray can, you get 24 ounces of the item. If oil has become your worst headache, then you'll like Easy-Off's grease cutting service. You can utilize this spray on your grill and in your oven. However, bear in mind that the grates will need to be extensively washed down with water afterward. This formula is not nearly as risk-free for the setting as the ones over. Yet sometimes you have got to resist when the crud gets hard. While this is advertised as a daily item, bear in mind that the fumes can be severe for the lungs. Make sure to remain in a well-ventilated area and use a mask when utilizing this product. Our number 4 pick is the Gugon Grill and Grate Cleaner. The inside and grates are probably the most difficult areas to clean up on your grill. Discovering an item that can get these spots looking fresh without leaving a cloud of chemicals behind isn't always easy. However, this grill cleanser from Gugon can get the job done. In the bottle, you obtain 24 fluid ounces of formula. The phosphate-free formula works to cleanse the grates and cooking surfaces. Spray it on the location after the grill has cooled down and leave it for numerous minutes before rubbing off. Rinse cooking surface areas well before utilizing. It's eco-risk-free thanks to its biodegradable active ingredients. It will decrease smoke and flare-ups by eliminating most, otherwise all, the oil in your drip frying pan. When using it, you'll observe it as a gel-like structure that will attack the burn on oil and deposit on your grill. However, the gel will certainly additionally shield the surface area from corrosion. This item isn't formally sturdy, yet it does come close. Our number 3 pick is the CitraSafe Grill Cleaning Spray. Like the Weber Cleaner Over, this spray cleaner is the standalone variation of the cleaner in the CitraSafe set. This is a robust and trustworthy product that won't cost a fortune. The spray consists of 23 fluid ounces of non-flammable, biodegradable, citrus-based formula. What's great is that you can utilize it on your grill and in your kitchen without wearing gloves. It works well also on stainless steel surfaces. It does have a lemon aroma. However, this will provide your grill a touch of quality and will not flavor your food. The spray can cut through difficult places of grease. However, it can't be referred to as sturdy. It will certainly require some extra effort to remove the baked-on food deposit. But for a safe and reliable item, I would certainly state it's worth the extra work. You won't be putting on your own or liked ones an injuries method when using it. Our number 2 pick is the Grill Cleaner Spray. This is the same 16-ounce grill cleansing spray in the Weber cleansing package above, offered as a standalone. Harmful items can cause substantial harm not only to you, but likewise the surrounding people. However, we still need to remove those persistent grease spots, do not we? This grill cleaner spray from Weber will reliably do just that. One key feature I ensure you'll value is that it's a USDA-approved remedy. Using the power of citrus fruits, Weber eliminated the demand for phosphates, leading to a safe cleanser. If you like fast-working items, this spray could be for you, and you can likewise bring it indoors to your kitchen. Finally, this spray is for you if you require a fast and easy wreath to obtain recent grime off the grates. Although it's not for durable use, it does a specific task. Our number 1 pick is the CitraSafe Grill Care Kit. Products offered by appliance manufacturers can typically be more pricey. Are you seeking to invest a bit less? You don't want to endanger the price for performance, which is why this following set is perfect. This grill cleansing kit from CitraSafe is ideal for the Weber set above. In this collection, you obtain 2 sprays 16 liquid ounces of BBQ grill cleaner as well as a 16 fluid ounce exterior cleaner. To finish off the task, it has durable scrubber pads with deals. Something you'll like about CitraSafe is that the products consist of citrus-based D-limonene, an all-natural solvent. This makes their products secure yet powerful. The CitraSafe firm stays clear of utilizing chemicals such as phosphate, a hazardous material if ingested or inhaled in large quantities. Both of the sprays in this package are non-flammable, so there's no risk of spontaneous combustion. They likewise won't trigger any rust on your grill and are biodegradable, so great for the setting. The Safe sprays will also leave a hint of lemon aroma after use. CitrusSafe advises that you can use this cleaner on either a gas or charcoal grill, but they additionally state it's safe to use on your kitchen area stove or microwave. To know the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. You can comment below if you have any questions about these 5 products. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.